Today I'm going to talk to you about what I use before I do the events or videos to give my skin a little boost, plump it up, give it some extra radiance. And I'm going to do that using the Kelixir White Truffle Sheet Mask along with the Micro Dart Roller. The main ingredients in this mask are white truffle extract, which is brightening, hydrating, and anti-aging. It's helpful in fading dark spots and fighting environmental stressors. The Centella asiatica, also known as Gotu Kola, it's anti-aging, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and it has been found in Ayurvedic medicine, traditional African, and Chinese medicines. Along with the Micro Dart Roller, it can help reduce wrinkles, improve skin firmness, and also enhance the product absorption because we spend a lot of money on our skincare products. Take the mask out of its packaging and apply it on clean skin. You carefully adhere it on your face. I like to start with the forehead. I find that the easiest, and then kind of just smooth it on. Then after that, this is where the Micro Dart Roller comes in. I start around the mouth. I feel like that's an area of concern for me, the fine lines around the lips and the nasolabial folds. But I also find that the Micro Dart Roller is perfect for smoothing your mask in even further. Remember that this is going to enhance the absorption of the serum. You're just going to leave it in and relax for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then here comes the time to peel it off. I love how smooth and bright my skin looks.